baby girl, you bad, oh. Girl, the way you whine, I demand over you, girl. I demand over you.
So after crimping the hair, I decided to stop and show you how great the quality of my hair is. It's really natural, it takes curls really great, and it's just beautiful. It's just perfect. Look at that. I do have discounts and I do have great bundle deals, so feel free to check out my website again, ladies. This hair is just amazing.
Every day na party, every day na jolly, oh. Oh, you move your body, no time for story, oh. Where my woman, we supposed to the party, oh. No time to check time. Everybody shake it, baby. Shake it. Oh, your mama, eh. Oh, your sister, eh. Oh, my baby, oh. Time to party, oh. Oh, your mama, eh. Oh, your sister, eh. Oh, my baby, oh. Time to party, oh.
Shake it, I like it when you do sharp, oh. Back it, I like it na niko sharp, oh. My yo yo yo, uchangu changama. My yo yo, usije kudanganya. The way you wanna roll it, na take on my heart, and I can't control it, na take on mwenza. Hasade, ade, asanyonga unite, ade. That's what you say.
Oh, your mama, eh. Oh, your sister, eh. Oh, my baby, oh. Time to party, oh. Oh, your mama, eh. Oh, your sister, eh. Oh, my baby, oh. Time to party, oh. Girl, your body, sweetie, and your fine face.
Look how beautiful this hair turned out to be. This hair holds curls really well. It's very soft and natural. This hair, again, ladies, is from Gigi's Empire. I will leave the link down below. If you like this video, please click that button. Thumbs up this video, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you would like for me to post anything, literally anything, just put it down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to grant your wish.
Pretty, the way you are, you be naughty.